Hello everyone, welcome to the world of Vedic mathematics. Today we will discuss what is the importance of Vedic mathematics, how it help to the children, and how they can solve these mathematical problems within few seconds through the method of Vedic mathematics. Myself, Geeta Rajan from Delhi. I done my BSc mathematics in University Calicut in Kerala, and I did my PGDCA in computers also. Then let us see what is Vedic mathematics. Vedic mathematics is an ancient system of mathematics, a unique technique of calculation based on simple rules and principles with any mathematical problem. Be it is maybe arithmetic, algebraic, geometry or trigonometry can be solved or that is the magic of Vedic mathematics. What is the origin of Vedic mathematics? It is derived from one of our Vedas, Atharva Veda. We all know that there are 4 types of Veda: Rig Veda, Samveda, Yajurveda, Atharva Veda, and Vedic maths is derived from Atharva Veda, the 4th one. This method is introduced by Swami Bharati Krishna Tirtha Ji Maharaj from the Shankaracharya of Govardhan faith. Why we need Vedic science in today's world? 75% of children in the grade 5 can't do division, 1 digit, 3 digits, etc. So we need another method, because now techno-savvy children don't want to invest their time to do the maths in a conventional way. It is outdated also, but still we are doing that method. And 73% of grade 3 students can't do subtraction, 2-digit subtraction and 3-digit, 5-digit with borrowing. These facts are we can show how to solve mathematical problem in a very easy and efficient way with some techniques. These are all, there are 16 sutras. Sutras means formulas, and 13 sub-sutras in Vedic maths. If you do all this, then you can be more faster than a calculator or a computer. This program, we introduced this program the year 2015. The solo motto of our program is to make you a math genius. Yes, that is the motto of our program. This program consists of 16 days comprising various activities just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squares, square root, LCM, HCF, and there are there are a lot of methods of squaring and spark subtraction, spark addition, line subtraction, line addition. There are many methods are there. In every class, we clear one method and we give worksheets for the students to do that activity. We only doing these programs only Sundays. The program guarantees, I guarantee the program, and I also guarantee we will remove the math phobia in children. What are the benefits of this program? Let us see that. Helping students do mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Increase the concentration, imaginary power, and sharpen their grasping power. We are training our children, look at the sum and mentally calculate the answer. That is our motto. And it is also help in the competitive exams like Maths Olympiad, Science Olympiad, and even in G mains and CAT exams also. There is a competitive paper in CAT. It is all based on Vedic maths. If you done Vedic maths smoothly, 16 sutras, then nobody can imaginary power and sharpen their grasping power. We are training our children, look at the sum and mentally calculate the answer. That is our motto. And it is also help in the competitive exams like Maths Olympiad, Science Olympiad, and even in G mains and CAT exams also. There is a competitive paper in CAT. It is all based on Vedic maths. If you done Vedic maths smoothly, whole 16 sutras, then nobody can everybody can win the exam or pass the exam. It helps many children to eradicate the phobia of mathematics among children as well as even parents also. Let us take some challenges in Vedic mathematics. Then you can easily know what is this subject all about. This is there is a complement, that is Puraka. It is a very important aspect of Vedic mathematics. It helps in doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. What is complement? Complement is, let us take 7 as a number, then near 0 ending number is 10. So subtract 7 from 10, then we get 3. 3 is the complement. Then Puraka is Puraka, that means complement is equal to base minus numbers. Let us take another number 42 minus 50. Our answer is 8. If we take 83 and we must take 100 as our base, then the answer is 70. Yes, 991. If we take what we have to take the base as 1000, then the answer is 9. Then there is all some we can do this in addition techniques. I want the time is not so enough, so I will introduce only one technique to you, that is 13 plus 8. Suppose we have to add, what is the base of 8? That is 10. 13 plus 10, 23, and subtract the complement of 8, that is 2. Then the number is 21. Then through this method we can do any problem. Our challenge number 2 is all from 9, last from 10. Nikilam Navadaha Charamam Dashataha. Actually, the all sutras are written in Sanskrit, but it is translated for us. So even though we must understand what is the real sutra of in Sanskrit, so I will tell you the sutras for every challenge. Then all from 9, last from 10. What is that? This concept is very easy for the every student has the problem to subtract 1000, just like 1000, 10,000, lakh, 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 10 lakh. If there is so many zeros, the students get frustrated. They can't do the sums very quickly. But through this method, we can do it easily. The number of digit in 125 is 3, and we put a bar after the 3 zeros, that is before 1. Then subtract 1 minus 1, that is 0, and all from 9, last from 10. That is, we have to minus all digit from 9, but the last digit must be from 10. That is 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 2, 7, but 10 minus 5 is 5. So you can do, our next challenge is square of a number ending with 5. It is very easy. We can do the square of any number, which number ending with 5 within 3 seconds. 35 multiplied by 35. Suppose take, what is the square of a number? Any number multiplied by the same number is the square of a number. Just take 3 and the consecutive number, that is 3 plus 1, that is 4. 3 multiplied by 4, that is 12, and 5 square is 25. Our answer is 12, 25. Let us take the another example. 95 square. 9's next number is 10. Multiply 9's tens are 90 and 5 square is 25. Our answer is 90, 25. 85. We can say that the answer is 72, 25. The square of 55 is 30, 25. Square of 105 is 10 multiplied by 11, that is 110, and 5 square is 25. Our fourth and last challenge is multiply by 11. How it is very easy method. We can do it easily even though our number is 10 digit, 9 digit, 8 digit. There is no problem at all. What we have to do is 32 multiplied by 11. Put the 3 as it is and 2 as it is. The middle number is the sum of 3 plus 2. The two numbers, that is 5. I hope you understand the concept. Only we have to do is write the unit digit as it is and the tens digits as it is, but middle number is the sum of the 2 digits number. If the number is more than 10 or equal to 10, we have to give 1 to the previous number. That is in the case of 49 multiplied by 11. Here 4 plus 9 is 13. So we will give 1 to the 4. We will add 1 with 4. That is 4 plus 1, 5. 5, 3, 9 is our answer. 29. What is the answer of 29? Here also, just look at the number. Yes, it is more than 10. So automatically increase 1. That is 3, 3, 1, 9. That is our answer. 68 multiplied by 11. Look at the number. That is more than 10. So automatically increase 1 with 6. That is 7. 7, 4, 8 is our answer.